Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can add Higgs field to your Claude account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so PayPal is one of the connectors that you can add to your Claude AI account. To do this, head over to this sidebar and click on Customize. And under Customize, you should see we have an option to connect your apps. From this, click on Connect Your Apps. And then you'll see we have quite a number of apps that you can connect to your Claude AI account. At this point, you can scroll down until you see PayPal. However, a shortcut method is just to search for your app. So I'll search for PayPal like this, and you can see PayPal is here. So tap on this to complete the connection. By clicking on Connect, you'll have to grant authorization of your app to link with your PayPal account. So for this, will be redirected to your PayPal account. Enter your email and password to sign in and complete the connection. So that's how you can connect your PayPal on your Claude AI account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.